Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Kube. I'm here today and I'm going to show you a very easy snow effect in your paint. So when I mixed my paints, I added a little drop of silicone to the swipe colour and a little 2 drops of Helmar silicone to each paint colour. But you'll see when I swipe, it doesn't get a lacy effect like Floetrol gives. It'll give you a snow effect. So I'm just starting with the base coat in white, and you can see that the white had got a bit of silicone in because it's already starting to, they're kind of like cells, but they look like little eyes. And I'm just testing the swipe here to see if it's how I want. This colour is the green deep or a moss. So yeah, I just want a snow effect, not the lacy cell effect of Floetrol. And I think that is just perfect for the effect that I want for this piece. Kind of alpine forest look in the snow with a bit of a twist at the end. So yeah, that's a very easy way of just getting those snow cells if you don't want an outburst of lacy cells. So very easy, very simple. I think I will hold up the silicone to show you what I'm using. It's an Australian made silicone called Helmar. All of my products, and loads of people are asking me different things now where I can get this and that. They're always in the description box below my video. You sort of click a little icon maybe with a pointy finger down or a little arrow down. It's in the description box underneath my YouTube videos. So that's, and if you go to the Amazon store, I think I've got everything on there. Also there's a USA supplier for Australian Floetrol and some of the paints that I use. So and you get 10% off too. So there's a link for that if you click those links. So as you see, it came out a beautiful snowy effect, and I'm just whizzing over it. That's just the heat wand. It doesn't move the paint anywhere. It just gets rid of some air bubbles. So I'm sort of deciding what composition I want to go from here, but I think I'm going to go on a diagonal. So it kind of looks like, yeah, like a alpine forest snow look. That I'm putting on has got no silicone in. That is my champagne gold, which is 50% gold, 50% silver. This is actually the very deep Berry Delicious colour. It looks almost black. That has got 2 drops of silicone in it. And this metallic gold, that is pre-mixed, it has got no silicone. So I'm not putting silicone in every colour. It's just in the ones in the colours that are in the cups. So that one is actually a black. I think I might have done it the other way around. I think the first one might have been black and this one Berry Delicious. I can't remember now, but that's what I'm adding there. You might think, my golly, what's Gilly doing with the colours? But trust me, they do come out beautifully. And again, I'm adding a bit of white. So I'm not adding too much of any colour. It is quite minimalistic for me. So let's see how this one goes. Oh, that I'm adding there is black just mixed with Floetrol. So I'm going to just swipe over my colours, not over my snowy effect, just my colours. Actually, I'm not swiping over the colours. Look, I'm blowing it out. I was originally going to swipe down over the colours, and I decided to blow the very edges out there to get some nice wispy effects, and then I'll blow the rest of the paint off over the edges so you get nice colour run right over the edges. trust me, I was really happy with this as it was progressing. It just always doesn't look the best at certain stages, but hang on till the end, because I think you will find it worthwhile, because it did turn out absolutely stunning. So now for the balloon art magic. As I show you there, I put the balloon with the little belly button in between my two fingers, and you squeeze it so it gives you more control to hold on the balloon, and definitely wipe it off in between your balloon kisses. And if your paint is the correct consistency, you will always get a lovely result. It is being persistent and trying to get the exact paint consistency so it doesn't all fall in or go into a big smoosh. But you can certainly kiss back in the same spot as you've just pressed the balloon into. And what I always like to do as well is add a little bit of black sometimes to the centre, or blue, or whatever colour you choose, to the centre of your flower effect, because then it really does add like an inner detail. That, see, even just doing that extra balloon kiss in there sort of added a little bit more definition to your winter bloom, a winter bloom. And then I'm going to do balloon rolls on the bottom to sort of soften the lower area of that canvas up, so it kind of looks like a bit of, winter foliage at the bottom of my snowy scene. So yeah, it's a bit odd having a bloom in winter, but I'm sure there's loads of flowers that do bloom in winter. They're called Gilly flower, or Gilly botanical flowers, whatever you like. So I'm having a really nice time doing this. It's relaxing, enjoyable, and I just love it. So just got that little bit of soft plastic to do a few wispy bits. But now I've got that snow effect going on in there. It's really piqued my creative juices into really creating something that is a snowy scene. Of course, we're going into winter in Australia, and in Queensland we don't actually have snow, or if we do, it's a rare occurrence, but they do have snow in the southern states. So Queensland's tropical, so we stay quite nice and temperate climate even throughout the winter. So there you go, there's my winter garden. I just love it. And yeah, I hope that's piqued your interest to do a winter snow scene, because I just think it's a perfect combination with those simple colours, just the colours as the background. I think obviously you've always got to do the white, so when you swipe it looks like snow. Well, I will say bye for now, my lovelies. Please take care, and I will be back again tomorrow.